Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Look at my muscles. Not very big, I know. I've been kinda, sometimes I work out with my dad, but I know my muscles are very big. But look, it's like really small. I'm only 12. But, here we have this wonderful gift from my aunt. She actually already opened this once, but I'm going to do a re-unboxing of it. And yeah, it is the Max Activity Tracker, and I am so excited for this. So let's open it. Now she's already taken the little charger thing, but that's okay. We don't really need that. Here's the little case. Oh, I'm so excited. Don't really know what this is. I hope it comes with a little manual on how to use it. And then here, I think this is what you put it. You're gonna put it around your neck. New spinny wheel. Yes. I always love a good spinny wheel. My nanny is here, and so I gotta kind of make this quick. And so here is the activity tracker itself. It is so small. It's just to pull this. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna tug. Oh, it's kind of hard to take off. Tug, pull. Pull as hard as you can. Oh, I can't get this to come on. Do you press this to get it to come off? I don't know. I'm gonna ask my aunt. She's the one who gave it to me, so. Okay, I put it up, but it's saying something. It's saying something. Look. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Sync to get started. Okay, how do I sync it? Okay. There has to be some type of instruction manual on this. So, do I have to like take this film out? How do I sync it? Do I need to charge it? Does it need to charge? I just shot a room tour because my room is looking great so far. I need to do a little bit of more tidying up. And look at my new bed. Oh my god, look at this. The all blue. And you can see blue is like my new favorite color. Because I think when it says we need to sync it needs to charge. So I'm gonna plug it in. Let me plug it in now. Okay. Plug it into that. Plug it into that. Oh, do I need to put it in here? What is this? Let me just try and see. This is what I have to do in order to sync it. Okay, so this is just a case. Then you like clip it onto your shirt, but I don't know how to sync it. This is difficult. And little. To keep this away from Emily. Oh, I get it now. Wait. I totally get it now, I think. Okay, so I have like a coin. I think I need to unlock it. Okay, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe that's not what you have to do. Okay, 29 steps. Oh my god, it's counting. It's actually counting. Oh my god. I did it, guys. I did it. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Try to see if I can get this in here. It's counted the steps because I don't know why. Because I'm moving it. Okay, so it says I earned 0 activity minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna see if we can connect this. Cause the thing is, I don't know what this is. This is like this, and then you connect this to your shirt, or whatever. And then it counts your activity like that. Oh, it's backwards. Now it has this. Now what exactly does this mean? I don't know. Now I'm just taking this off. I'm gonna take the entire thing out of its case. It's so little. Okay, well, I burned 2 calories, and I went 0.0 miles. 84 steps. Place close to a Bluetooth enabled device to sync. Are you Bluetooth? Are you Bluetooth? It's like really close to the camera. It's synced. Okay, 84 steps. Oh no. So, should I try moving you now? Moving with you? You're not going up. And I've been moving a lot of steps. 90. Okay, so I guess this is it. This is the... Hold on. I guess this is the max activity tracker. It's really little as you guys can see. Clearly. Trying to put the home menu here. But my question is, how do I turn it off? I thought maybe you hold it, but I guess not. Okay, well here's my little max activity tracker, and I love packaging of stuff, so the fact that they did something so small for something so small, I love it. Bye guys, and welcome to another, we'll say goodbye to another Tech Tuesday, the first episode of Tech Tuesday, and it's not going to be a full-on series like Brandon Biggs is, but every once in a while I'm going to post like a tech video on Tuesday. Okay, bye-bye.